Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. The problem number 104. How to solve this how to draw this by using AutoCAD software. Problem reads as a pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on HP such that the perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corners on which the lamina rests is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Draw the top and front view. So the position of this problem is here. So this we need to write the solution for this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch on the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits, enter, specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, enter upper right corner. We will go to specify A4 size sheet, so 297, 210. Then zoom on. Command is line. So you select some arbitrary point and we are going to take the lower left corner of the sheet and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance. Again you click on the first button of the mouse and now you take take some distance to the top side and again you click on first button of the mouse and then enter. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, enter, select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Again go to offset, take the distance as 210 and select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical and this horizontal, between this vertical and this horizontal, and between this horizontal and this vertical. Now we will go for a layer command. Then you just go to layer, then click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY, and again click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name locus. Once you do that, then you change the line weight. So layer 0 contains the projector lines which will going to be of 0.05. So therefore the line weight of layer 0 is 0.05. You select that. Then locus line will also have a line weight as 0.05 and the XY line will going to have 0.13, and then we are going to have the front view which will going to be of 0.5, and also you select the top view by 0.5. Once you do that, then we will go for line type of locus. You just click on continuous. So you load the line type of dash dot. You take the cursor here and type the available line types, which is dash dash I want. You just click on that and say OK and click on dash dot and make the dash dot as the current line type for the layer 0. So for layer locus. Once you do that, now we are going to change the colors. Now the front view will going to have a blue color and the top view will going to have the magenta color. You just click on that and say OK, and now finally you close it. Now we need to create this drawing. First we are going to draw the XY line, and then we are going to draw the pentagon, and then we are going to draw the XY. So polygon, the number of sides is 5, and take the edge option. So you take the first end point of it, you click here and then drag towards the top side and take the distance as 25, and then just move this and you place it, put off the ortho off, you take wherever you want and click. So again you switch on the layer or line ortho on, draw a horizontal line of any convenient distance, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now then, just go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two. Once you do that, then go to break, select this, take first point, take intersection point of this and say @enter. Now you change the layers. Now you just click on this and you click on this, go to make the layer as a front view. Then similarly you click on this pentagon, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just make the line weight display on. Once you do that, then you copy the same thing to the next position and rotate by an angle 30 degrees. So to do that, so copy, select this entire front view by considering the window. Then you just press enter, specify base points, click any arbitrary point. This can be anywhere, and you move it to the next position wherever you want. Then you again click on the first button of the mouse, and now you just press enter key. Then go to rotate, RO, select object, select this entire thing. Base point is end of this. With respect to this end point, I want to rotate angle by 30 degrees. Then we go for line command, draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Once you do that, similarly go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take end point of this, move the cursor on this line, it goes to the next position of end point and draw perpendicular to this line. So go to trim this vertical line, cutting edge, and take this as the object to trim and also object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line int of this, and then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Once you do that, go to trim, select this line and trim this here and here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to zoom, window, select this and then go to break. So break this first point int of this and say at the rate. Now what we need to do is we need to create this as the portion, as the entire thing, and I want only this line and this line, and we don't want these two. So break this line and also this line and also this line. So to do that, first broken this line, now we go for break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate, enter, then break, select this first point int of this and say at the rate, enter. Now we change these 5 lines. Now select all these 5 lines and go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, now you just go to zoom previous, again you come down to this and draw that 45-degree line and make this and rewrite the second position top view in the third position by rotating, by finding out the beta inclination. So to do that, so first we'll go for line command, draw a line from nearest point and take, or it can be done in either in this way or in this way. Now we can do, I will show from here, nearest of this at the rate, I will say 100 less than minus 45. So once you do that, now we need to take the true length of this. So you measure the distance between these two and draw an arc, and then you can draw the locus, and then we have to do this. So to do that, first we'll go for DDIM, then click on modify, click on primary units, you take the linear dimension up to second decimal point, then go to text, take this text height as 3, then align with the dimension line, center becomes above, offset from the dimension line as 3, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and lines, so go for offset from the origin as 3, say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take intersection point of this and take int of this. Once you do that, you're going to get 38.47. Again you take intersection point of this, and from here you take int of this, so you're going to get 33.32. Now to change this, then you go for circle, take nearest point on this and then take a radius of 38.47, enter, Then you break the circle in the counterclockwise direction as shown. You just do this, then go to erase this arc, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to trim, select this line and trim this line here. Once you do that, then go to circle, take center of this arc, take the radius as 33.32. Then enter, then go to break this line till here, circle, and similarly on this side. Now what we need to do is, so once you find out the apparent length, so we need not have to have this, you delete this. Then you just go to copy, select this entire drawing by selecting the window, then go to base point, take intersection point of this, take center of either this arc or this arc. Both will going to have the same center. Then go to rotate this entire thing considering this. Enter base point. I will take intersection point of this, then take the reference. So reference, you take intersection point of this and then take this intersection point of this. So this should come on this line int of this. So once you do that, now you're going to get this position of beta inclination. Now you just break this line. So this has to be a locus line. So go to layer, make that layer as locus. Once you do that, you just take 10 mm and now this will going to become the locus line. So now you just go to DDIM, then go to modify. So here make that primary units precision as 0 and say OK and close. Now we need to write the position of the front view. So to do that, so here the position of the front view, project from each point and then you will going to get this drawing. But here the orientation I have changed deliberately because this is the solution. Either this way can also be done or we can do by this way also. So that is the condition. So here just you go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, take line int of this and draw a horizontal line, and from these points, these 2 points are corresponding. These 2 points. Then go to perpendicular, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So once you do that, then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw one more horizontal line and take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Go to fillet between this and this. Now we need to write the front view now. So to do that, take int and take intersection and take intersection of this and take int of this and take int of this. So now once you get this, then go to break, select this first point, take intersection point of this and say at the rate enter. Now you select all these 5 lines now. So to do that, so just by clicking on all these entities, go to layer, make that layer as the front view. So now we got all the positions. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line. So once you do this, then you come down to zoom window, you take this, you select this line and you select this line and you make this line as change this layer to XY. Once you do that, then go to break this line till here and then you remove this, erase. Now we go for dimension and switch off the ortho mode. Then take intersection point of this and take int of this. So here you will going to get it as 25. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line, you are going to get it as 30 degrees. And then go to angular, select between this line and this line, you are going to get the angle as 45 degree. And again go to angular, select between this line and this line. Once you do that, go to text. So you give space and enter. So you place it wherever you want. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension. So you take this 30 degree. here. Similarly, TED, you take 45 degree and you bring this nearer. Then go to M-text, select this window. Then you will going to get formatting. Go to symbol, select the symbol, and here you type beta B. Then OK. So here go to M-text, select this, go to M-text. Sorry, first we have to go for D-text. First you go to D-text, put off the caps lock on, and here take the height as 3 and you take X and you mark this as VP and you marks it as HP and here it as Y, and so here you mark this as A, B, C and D and E, and here you mark this as A dash and you B dash and C dash, and here it is D dash and here it is E dash. Once you do that in brackets, then go to move, you move this X, similarly VP and similarly HP. So here A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, then we have D dash, move D dash, then you have E dash, and here A and you move this B, similarly C, and you move this D and you move this E. Once you do that, so you select A, B, C, D and E and HP, go to layer, make that layer as top view, escape. Now you select all these text by window, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So now you just go to copy this text A dash to here, similarly B dash here, then you take E dash and put it here, similarly C dash, put it here, then D dash. So once you write this front view, to this I need to write the top view. You take A and you take A here, similarly B, you take it on this and also B here, and this is C and you copy this C here and this C here, similarly D, copy this here and also here, and then E, copy this here and this point will be here. Once you do that, now you just copy A dash, then you copy B dash, then you have C dash, then D text. So here you type D dash and here you type E dash. Then you just select these two, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. And the one thing what I need is you just go to M-text. So M-text is to be written only after writing the text. So you just go to symbol. So select symbol and you mark it as beta B and small letter B. So it is going to give you the beta symbol. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD. So this is the final solution and what you get from here. And this dimension which has been shown is up to the 4th decimal point is not required. It's only up to the 2nd decimal point is required. So that is the reason why in this drawing we have taken up to the 2nd decimal point. And these dimensions are need not to be shown. Only the dimension which has been given in the problem are to be shown. Thank you.